Hi all, and welcome to this week's Feature of the Week video. In this video, I will be covering Naviate's Create 3D Zones. And this tool is used to create 3D zones that are based on either all areas that are in a view or pre-selected areas. And 3D zones can be used to either write information to elements that live within those zones, or you can also use them as a filtering mechanism within Naviate Filters Elements tool. Now, once you're in your area plan, select the specific areas you'd like to create 3D zones from. Remember, if nothing is selected, 3D zones will be created for all of the areas within the view. Once you have your area selected, go into Naviate Architecture. Three D zones from areas. From here, you can set the base and top level of your 3D zone. You can also set offsets in each direction. And also note you get feedback on how many zones will be created. Once you have your settings set, go ahead and click on Create and Update. Keep in mind, the 3D zones are created in generic model category. So thank you for watching this week's video, and I hope this was informative.